Well, I apologize. I have to have a fan on. I can't believe it's warmed up here in Florida. It's about 82 degrees here in my office, so I normally try to turn that fan off, but today I'm going to have to turn it on because it's been cool, so I got used to the cool, and now it's warmed up. I'm not used to that again, so that's the way it is. What we have today from Jeff is a 4-star, yeah, that's what it's called, a 4-star model FS-900 AM and FM radio. It's 10 transistor. Yeah, it's about a 1970 vintage. He says the sensitivity is decent. The selectivity is bad. And the sound is trashy. So we will see. He got this off of eBay for $20. It was not working, so he paid to have it completely recapped and repaired, and we're going to check it out right now. Original box, which is in very good condition. Again, this is like 1970s. I'm going to open it up here. There's what's in the box. Here's the original battery and earphone. There's the radio. It's green. And it's called a 4-star, 10 transistor. There it is, the name right there, 4 stars, not a Radio Shack. It's got this funky little carrying strap. It's very stiff now. And it's built down inside. I don't think you can take it off. There's the tuning knob. There's the on-off volume. AM and FM, we're going to give it a try. We have to go quickly through the band to avoid stopping on any music. So here we go. Let me turn it off first and turn it all the way down to the bottom of the band. Okay, now it's all the way down the bottom of the band. And where is it on the back? Yeah, there's a switch for AM and FM, and it's not obvious, but we'll find out what position it's in. It's not obvious because it's embossed. I don't know why they do that. But anyway, here we go. We'll listen and figure it out. That's volume. Let's turn the volume back up. Okay, the battery died? No. Okay, now we'll turn the volume back up. Whoa, that's music, believe it or not. Must be on the FM. Okay, let's turn the volume back up. Come on. Wow. Not doing too good. And it does not have a telescopic antenna. I'm thinking this is the antenna. And we must be on FM. Okay. Gotta find some kind of talk radio so I can turn the volume up loud. Whoa. Yep. Christmas music already. Boy, the audio is terrible. So I think that was the FM band. Let's switch this over. And we'll go back down the band. Not a lot of volume either.
Orlando making
There
a
we go.
pledge of $100. We have a couple of people
Whoa.
who gave $1,000 gifts here just a moment ago. One listening in California, one listening in New Berlin, Wisconsin. And then looks like I'm waiting for this. I'm just.
61% disapproval rating. The Quinnipiac. #1 college in our university campuses, and we all know how and absolutely hijacked by socialism and Marxism. And by the way, if it was the scan takes just 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's tuned in.
Or call 813-851-1000. Do it today. NFL.
Always add this element of you need to play him in fantasy. The hard part is this is an ACL injury, and by the way, a much longer timeline. We thought ahead of last season.
Yeah, I kind of have to agree with Jeff on his summation, evaluation, sensitivity. Nah, he says decent. I would say not so good. He said selectivity was bad. Yeah, that's definitely bad. And he said the sound was trashy. Yeah, this is, whoa. I wonder what this cost originally. It's in perfect shape. And I'm pretty sure this is the FM antenna. That's all the only sign of an FM antenna. And it uses a 9-volt battery. I don't know. It's unique. That's a lot of radios Jeff buys because they're unique. This is unique. This green, ugly green. Oh my gosh. 4-star is what it's called. And even has the original tag. Oh, there we go. 1995. How about that? And what do we have here? We have listings for AM and FM. A little manual. How about that? And the original box is in great shape. Pretty cool. Thanks, Jeff. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. We're going to try to get to 20,000 just for the heck of it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.